Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Discover how to easily make authentic Pad Kra Pao right in your own kitchen. This classic Thai dish, also known as holy basil stir-fry, is a true flavor explosion, bursting with savory, spicy, and wonderfully aromatic notes. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, and you'll be amazed at just how quickly this satisfying, restaurant-quality meal comes together. Get ready to impress your taste buds and everyone around your table with this simple, yet incredibly flavorful dish. To start, you'll need fresh holy basil. It's the star. Grab about a pound of ground chicken or pork, a few cloves of garlic, and a handful of fiery bird's eye chilies to your preferred spice level. For the sauce, combine oyster sauce, fish sauce, and a touch of dark soy sauce. These simple ingredients, especially the holy basil, are crucial for achieving that authentic, unforgettable taste. Achieving the perfect Pad Kra Pao means stir-frying quickly over high heat. First, pound your garlic and chilies together into a rough paste. This step really unlocks their potent aroma and flavor. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a hot wok or large skillet, then add your ground meat, breaking it up and browning it thoroughly. Once the meat is cooked through, toss in that aromatic chili garlic paste and stir-fry it briefly until fragrant. Now for the grand finale of flavors. Pour in your premixed sauce a combination of oyster sauce, fish sauce, and soy sauce, stirring it quickly to coat all the meat evenly. The sauce will thicken slightly and cling to everything, creating a delicious glaze. Finally, add a generous handful of fresh holy basil leaves, tossing them gently until they just wilt. This quick cooking preserves their vibrant color and unique peppery aroma. Your delicious, homemade Pad Kra Pao is now ready to serve. Traditionally, it's best enjoyed piping hot, spooned over a bed of fragrant steamed jasmine rice. For the ultimate experience, top each serving with a perfectly fried egg, especially one with a runny yolk. The rich creaminess of the egg, combined with the savory, spicy stir-fry and fluffy rice, creates a truly unforgettable and satisfying meal. Enjoy every last bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.